Guys, we're back. Thought I'd take a second to talk about color wheel and choosing colors and color theory. There is a huge science behind color that isn't really necessary to know if you're going to do art. The basic things you need to know is the color wheel. I'm sure you've seen it. It's a wheel with all the colors on it. First off, you start with the primaries, red, blue, and yellow, which everybody kind of grows up knowing. And then you go to the secondaries, which is what happens when you mix a primary pair. So we've got purple from red and blue, orange from red and yellow, and green from blue and yellow. Those are our secondary colors. Tertiary colors, don't really have great examples of that. But tertiary colors are the ones that happen when you mix a secondary and a primary together. So yellow-orange or blue-green. Complementary colors are the ones that are opposite each other in the wheel. So blue and orange are complementary, purple and yellow are complementary, red and green are complementary. When you put them together, they sort of vibrate off of each other. They make each other brighter. It's like the highest contrast you can get. If that's what you're looking for in your painting, go with complementary. Split complementary, this isn't the greatest example, but to do split complementary, I would do this blue, and then the split of the red-orange and the yellow-orange. So you're coming across and then splitting. So you get the ones on the opposite sides. So that would go together in a very bright way. You can also do warm versus cool. This is the warm side, this is the cool side. Sometimes this purple is kind of warm, it's got a lot of red in it. Your secondary colors can sometimes go either way depending on how equal the mix is. And analogous colors are ones that are located close together. So these are analogous. These are analogous. These are analogous. Shade is what happens when you add black to make it darker. And tint is what happens when you add white to make it lighter. The hue is the actual color. These pinks are different hues. This one has more of an orangey hue, and this one is definitely a magenta hue. So instead of saying they're different shades, we should say they're different hues. Nobody says that though. Having gone over all of that, the important thing to remember is that it's art and there are no rules, and you can do whatever you want. Pick things that you like. It doesn't really matter. It's your piece. Express it how you want. If you want something that doesn't go well together, then pick something that doesn't go well together. Or choose things that you like together. Just grab bag and see what you have and try to find things that you like. It's really up to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.